Hi, today I'm gonna knit a simple chunky beanie in a 2x2 rib. It has a neat factory style edge and very clean easy crown. Cast on 16 stitches. This is half as many as we need. We cast these stitches onto one needle. Now we knit in this way. One slip, first purl, now take stitch and knit from the front. Purl, rotate the needle, knit from the front. Purl, knit from the front, and continue. Purl, second row, work one knit, one purl, knit, purl. Now we switch from a by one rib to a 2x2 rib. One slip, sweep 2 stitches, now we have to purl together. Near one knit, two purl, continue, slip 2 stitches, sweep and we have 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches, 2 knit, 2 purl, slip 3, sweep, back, 2 knit, 2 purl, work 2 knit, 2 purl, and continue, slip 3, sweep, back to needle, and work 2 knit and 2 purl, and continue. To knit, to purl. Now we continue working in a 2x2 rib for as long as you need. For my head, I chose to knit 16 centimeters, 6 inches. Now we start the decreases. 1 slip, knit and purl, knit 2 stitches together, purl, 1 knit, second knit and first purl, knit 2 together, purl, knit, second knit and first purl, knit 2 together, purl, knit, and continue, purl, knit, 2 stitches, knit together, on the wrong side row, follow the pattern, knit to purl, knit to purl, knit to purl. Next row, work knit and purl together, knit 2 stitches together, 1 knit, knit and purl, work 2 stitches together, knit 2 together, knit, knit 2 together, knit, knit 2 stitches together. On the wrong side, purl all the stitches. Next row, 1 knit, 2 knit together, 1 knit, 2 knit together, and continue, knit, 2 knit together. On the wrong side, purl all stitches. Next row, all stitches, work 2 knit together, 2 knit together. On the wrong side, purl all stitches. Now we knit 2 stitches together across the row once more, 2 stitches together. Now we have 11 stitches left. The total depth of the head is 21 centimeters, 8 inches. Now we thread the yarn through all the stitches and pull it tight. Now sew the head closed.